Live from the BLN studios, this is a Beanieland News Update. Fabulous news in Beanieland today. Snootz has recovered his real wand, and Beanieland is returning to normal. Unfortunately, it seems that we now have a villain among us. There are several suspects in question that you, the viewer, helped us identify.
Viewers from all over Beanieland have sent in their ideas of who the villain might be. Could it be an evil fairy in a stump? Does Snootz have an evil twin? Maybe it's a Thai girl, or quite possibly those pesky seagulls. Or maybe it's something else. Snootz is still investigating to get to the bottom of this mystery. We're hoping he gets back to us soon.
So last time, we were trying to solve the mystery of who switched my wands. So I was sitting on a stump, eating some bones that Carolyn and Juliet gave me. Thanks, guys. And then I looked down, and I saw a feather. And then I saw footprints. How weird. So I followed them for about 1,000,000 miles. Or, well, maybe like 10 feet. And then I came to an opening in the forest. It's you.